Lesson 233. I give my life to God to guide today.
Hi there. Would you like to experience what it's like to let your life be guided by God's perfect wisdom today? Let's see what Lesson 233 has to teach us about that.
I give my life to God to guide today.
Father, I give you all my thoughts today. I would have none of mine. In place of them, give me your own. I give you all my acts as well, that I may do your will instead of seeking goals which cannot be obtained, and wasting time in vain imaginings. Today I come to you. I will step back and merely follow you. Be you the guide, and I the follower who questions not the wisdom of the infinite, nor love whose tenderness I cannot comprehend, but which is yet your perfect gift to me.
Today we have one guide to lead us on. And as we walk together, we will give this day to Him with no reserve at all. This is His day. And so it is a day of countless gifts and mercies unto us.
In simpler terms, our usual thoughts and fears often enslave us, dictating the course of our lives. But today, we have a choice. We can ask God to take all our thoughts, replacing them with His own, guiding us to true freedom. Let's open our mind and let go of our own limited ideas. Let's ask for guidance and act based on that guidance. Do you remember those questions to ask God that we repeated few times during this course?
What would you have me do?
Where would you have me go?
What would you have me say? And to whom?
Let's not chase after things that ultimately don't matter, and let's not get lost in our dreams and illusions today. Let's follow the only thing that's worth following, even if we can't yet comprehend the gifts of His infinite wisdom and boundless love. We're not alone, we have God as our guide. By dedicating this day to Him and offering Him all we have, our day will be filled with countless gifts and blessings.
I give my life to God to guide today.
I give my life to God to guide today.
I give my life to God to guide today.
Isn't that wonderful? Imagine how our days would transform by letting go and allowing the greater power within ourselves to guide us. Isn't it life-changing to know that by doing so, we open ourselves to countless blessings and guidance? Keep practicing every morning and evening as we've been doing. Take a moment every hour, and whenever you need a reminder, to embrace this beautiful idea, allowing God to guide your day. You're on the right track and doing exceptionally well. Trust in this journey and the wisdom it brings. See you tomorrow for another powerful lesson. Just a quick note, we're currently navigating the section titled What is Salvation? If you haven't watched the video with the introduction to this section, just click on the video link that should appear on your screen shortly.
If you enjoyed the video and found it helpful, please don't forget to give it a like and leave a comment. Thanks. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. There's a new lesson every day.